Pairing your new Roku remote, a simple guide.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to walk through how to pair a new Roku remote without having the old one. This task is often perceived as complicated, but rest assured, we're going to make it straightforward and easy to follow. Remember, the key to a successful setup is patience and precision.
Identify your Roku remote type.
First, it's important to understand that there are two types of Roku remotes: standard infrared (IR) remotes and enhanced point anywhere remotes. Standard infrared (IR) remotes communicate with Roku devices through a direct line of sight. These remotes are typically paired at the factory and do not need to be paired again to use. Enhanced point anywhere remotes, on the other hand, connect over wireless networks, either Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, and can be used from anywhere within range. These remotes need to be paired with your Roku device.
Pairing an enhanced point anywhere remote.
Here's how to pair your enhanced point anywhere remote. 1. Make sure your Roku device is powered on. 2. Insert batteries into your Roku remote. 3. Wait for the Roku device to show the home screen. 4. If your remote has a pairing button, press and hold it for 3 seconds. You'll find the pairing button in the battery compartment on the remote. 5. You should see a pairing dialog on your TV screen. This means your remote is pairing with the Roku device. 6. If the remote doesn't pair automatically, try resetting the Roku device and remote by removing the power cable from the Roku device. Wait for 5 seconds and then reinsert it. At the same time, remove the batteries from your remote, wait for 5 seconds and reinsert them. Repeat the above steps. 7. If all steps are followed correctly, your remote should now be successfully paired.
Pairing a standard infrared (IR) remote.
If you have a standard infrared (IR) remote, the process is even simpler. Just make sure that there are no objects blocking the direct line of sight between your remote and the Roku device. Point your remote directly at the Roku device and it should work without any additional pairing steps. That's it. You should now be able to navigate your Roku device with your new remote. If you followed all the steps and your remote is still not working, you might have a faulty remote or Roku device. Please contact Roku support for further help. Remember, setting up your Roku remote properly is essential for an optimal Roku streaming experience. Thank you for watching, and happy streaming!